Hello, everyone. So, welcome to the fifth chapter of Lucky You, that is Inner Strength. So, now I will share my screen. Inner strength, that we call as Atma Bal in Hindi. So, what is inner strength? Let me break the words for you for your better understanding. So, inner means something which is there within us. Strength means the power or the resilience. Mental means the something which we have in mind, our thoughts, our emotions. Power means when we are having the ability to control or to ability to overcome. Courage is the ability to bounce back from the fear or fight for the fear, for the difficult situation, for anything that is not in our control when we are fighting back for it. And determination. Fighting with determination means when we are having the firmness, when we are having the commitment to achieve the goal, that is what determination is. A secret weapon for tough times. So, overall, what inner strength is? Inner strength is having the mental toughness or the bravery to tackle the tough situation with confidence and perseverance. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. So next slide says that it's like a superhero hidden inside you, ready to crush challenges and face life head on. So it is a power that you have within you, which will help you to show the path and life's ups and downs. Okay, so we have very important 3 points. Inner strength is like a quiet friend who is always there, waiting to be recognized and ready to help them when times get tough. It helps you keep going, stay positive, and tackle whatever life throws at you. Inner strength will give you the push you need to carry on. So when life feels heavy, remember, you have this quiet power within you, always ready to help you out. So, which means what? You have the power within you to overcome the obstacles and to achieve the goal. So, you always need to tap into that inner strength that you have inside you and give control to that and let that inner strength, let that quiet friend of yours guide you. It's all within us. Okay, let's talk about some facts now. Okay, stress isn't bad at all. Do you agree to me? Stress, sometimes we feel we are having stress. It's all finished. So, stress isn't bad at all. It strengthens your mental endurance. And stress actually can make you more stronger and more reliant, resilient. Failure fuels growth, it helps you to grow stronger. Sometimes failure comes in our life, we get very depressed, we start to think that life is finished now when we fail, right? But we always have to remember that failure will always sometimes can be a stepping stone towards your success. It will help you to grow mentally. The mistakes can help you to it will help you to learn something, a lesson in your life, and it will help you to improve at one point of time. So failure sometimes is needed. 60% of people feel more confident with inner strength. The fastest way to be stronger is to face challenges head on. Think of one of the biggest challenges you have faced in your life, a tough exam or an argument with a friend or a personal loss, etc. Or we can also say, what is the current challenge that you are facing? Most of you come up to me and say that, ma'am, how can I gain more confidence while public speaking? Or how can I learn English? So it's all within us, how much you're committed to learn. So I can say that wake up early in the morning. Okay. Speak up at least 3 minutes a day. We have class presentations every day. So volunteer yourself, raise your hand, ask me out, ask your faculty out that, ma'am, can I speak? Sir, can I speak today? Come up forward and speak. You just need to push yourself forward. That one push is required. So you come forward, you speak for at least some time, speak at least 15 to 10 to 15 minutes a day with your friends in English. So that will help you to boost up your self-confidence, or try a new hobby or activity. That will also help you to gain a lot of confidence, resilience, or the personal growth. So face this kind of challenges every day. You have to push yourself. Until and unless you're pushing yourself, you cannot have that Atma Bal inside you. Okay, so it's a very nice quote written here that the world is a great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. A world is a place where we can learn, where we can grow, where we can be more stronger through our experiences. It's all up to us. Life gives you the opportunity. You have to grab that opportunity. You have to start building yourself up. You cannot wait for the correct time to come, or you cannot wait for someone to encourage you every time. You have to push yourself. That is what inner strength is. Okay, let's come to the activity part. Okay. So now what is your activity for chapter 5? Let's understand. You need to answer this following question. The first question is, what is the biggest challenge you have faced? One, okay, you have to answer one biggest challenge you have faced till date. How did you feel when that kind of challenge came in your life? How did you feel? How did you get over it? How did you overcome it? And how did it make you stronger? So this four question you have to answer. Next is you make the same kind of table here. In the first column, you can see that three challenges that you are currently facing. Okay, you have to write down three current challenges you are facing. How do you feel about them? Okay, so you have to write this in a row. And the same for the three challenge, you have to write the three ways that you're facing currently about it, and how are you feeling about it, and how are you planning to tackle them. What are you doing, and how are you planning to tackle it out? Another activity is the inner strength inventory. Let's build an inventory of qualities. Tick best 5 qualities you want to develop or possess in yourself. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 best qualities we have written here. That is patience, self-discipline, adaptability, determination, optimism, courage, empathy, problem solving, forgiveness, and focus. So what are the 5 top qualities you now want to build in yourself? You just have to tick mark, okay? This is just a daily life practice. Step outside from your comfort zone daily, okay? Every now and then we will feel like, no, I do not want to do this thing. Or what if the thing that I am currently wanting to do might turn out negative? Or agar mere se nahi ho paya to, what will be the consequences? So do not think about that. Come out of your comfort zone daily. Speak up in the class, learn new skill, ask for help, say no to something if it's not required. People have this weakness of not being able to say no. Do something alone, do something for others, or take a cold shower. Anything which challenges you. Whatever you face, the challenge that you face, try to do that thing more. And lastly, which we are doing in all the chapters, start, stop, and continue. 3 things that you will be starting from now onwards, 3 things that you will stop doing, and 3 things that you will continue to do. Related to the chapter, okay? Whatever you have understood from this inner strength, keeping that in mind, you have to write 3 things that you will start, stop, and continue. I hope it was helpful to you. You have learned something from here and you will utilize these things that you have understood. Thank you so much. We'll again meet in the next chapter.